not know when. I have many memories stored online, nothing printed, nothing permanent, nothing left as it was. Will it be the same as when I first saved it? Corrupt files are a nightmare, or so I thought. Yeah, and I guess last minute I just had to leave. I had a ton of things just stored in different devices. I feel like I don't even have all my things yet, or they're just stored on computers that I sort of relied on, and now I'm just so much, and we don't really save anything physically. Like, we don't have anything on a person or these devices, and once they're gone, in a way, they're just gone. Like, there's no getting them back. And if you're perhaps able to retrieve them somehow, they're just not the same. Things don't always go the way you had planned. Okay, so doing recollect all of my old photos, videos. Throughout my hard drive. And I guess I always just wonder if
Did you want to use the same thing, take pictures, take out videos? But when I was looking back at a couple of my videos, they're just so distorted. They didn't even seem the same. So yeah, I kind of ventured, explored, and found this most salvageable, and surprisingly, a lot actually wasn't, unless it was, I guess, uploaded somewhere to a compressed file, but all the original digital clips were just gone.
many things to